On behalf of 24HourAnswers.com, I welcome you to today's lesson. In this video, this is going to be definite integrals part 7 using U-Substitution. We have a definite integral here, and what we're also going to do at the end is we're going to see how our answer that we get is going to be equal to this definite integral that you can already see I've done in the calculator. But let's not get a decimal in this example. Let's get the exact answer, and you'll see what I'm talking about right here in a second. So we want to find the definite integral from 1 to 2 of this rational function. And what I notice right off the bat is that the derivative of this denominator is remotely similar to this numerator. Let's do a U substitution here. Let's let u be equal to our denominator. And let's find du. That's going to be 3x squared dx. I just took the derivative of this right here. In previous videos, I did discuss about taking your x bounds and changing them to u bounds. So let's take our two x bounds here. Let's substitute those into here to find our new u bounds. Plugging in 2 cubed is 8, plus 1 gives us 9. Plugging in 1 cubed is 1, plus 1 gives us 2. Now, before we come in and perform the substitution, what I'm going to do down here, notice we have an x squared and a dx, and we have an x squared and a dx. We don't have the 3, so I'm going to divide by 3. That gives us 1/3 du is equal to x squared dx. So this 1/3 du will replace this x squared and this dx right here. So I'm going to write that 1/3 on the outside of my integrand. I'm going to use my new bounds here from 2 to 9. And now, since the 1/3 and the du, there's the 1/3, I'm going to put the du right here, which replaces the x squared and the dx. That leaves us with the understood 1 in our numerator, and recall we let u be equal to our denominator. This is a classic integral that I see people mess up because they think they can do u to the -1 and then you add 1 to the exponent and then you divide by that number. It doesn't work because when you add 1 to this exponent you get 0, and we can't divide by 0. Very classic example here. This is one of those ones that people often forget, but you need to remember, and once you start remembering it you won't forget it because it's the natural log. The antiderivative of 1 over u du is the natural log of u. So therefore we have 1/3 natural log of u from 2 to 9. Let's substitute these values in, giving us 1/3 natural log of 9 minus natural log of 2. All I did there was plug in the 9, plug in the 2, and don't forget to subtract those two values. From here, now we can do the quotient rule is what I call it for natural logs. Since we are subtracting two natural logs, we can actually find the quotient of these two numbers. So therefore our final answer and our exact answer is 1/3 natural log of 9/2. Let's verify this on the TI-84. I already have the original problem typed in. Now I'm just going to do 1/3 natural log of 9/2. And notice we get the exact same decimal. So the calculator will give you an approximation, but notice now we have the exact answer. And again, the big thing that people forget here is the antiderivative of 1 over u or 1 over x or 1 over whatever is the natural log. And there you have it, part number 7 to definite integrals using U-Substitution. And that's it for this video. I hope it helped. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more videos. Links to our social media are in the description below.